Welcome to the Growth Jigsaw, our discussion group for business owners, entrepreneurs, and aspiring entrepreneurs on the challenges of running a business. Today, we're going to talk about how you manage your finances using a budget. A budget, incidentally, is a four-letter word for a lot of businessmen. There is incredible amount of resistance when I talk about budget with many of my clients. It's perceived to be a waste of time, and according to them, it doesn't change the way they run their business. However, this is a lovely tool for you to control how you run your business and how comfortably you manage your finances during the whole year. So what is a budget? A budget is a tool that you use to define how much money you plan to earn and how much money you plan to spend during the year, and therefore how much profits are you going to get out of the business for yourself. How do you go about making a budget? A simple way of doing this is take the annual profit and loss statement of your business for the last year. Look at the income figure and decide what is the target income or the total revenue that you want to achieve in your business this year. Accordingly, work backwards and look at all the cost heads and see in what proportion those would increase in order for you to be able to achieve that turnover. Look for the ratios. So if material is about 60% of your cost, then apportion the 60% of the target income towards the material cost. Do this for all the items in your expense areas. Look at what remains as profits when you do this on an Excel. Are you happy with what you see as profits? If not, go back and look at what you're planning as expenses. See what you could cut back on. See what you need to optimize on. And once you arrive at what you feel is an acceptable figure, this becomes your budget. Now that doesn't end the whole exercise. Every month when you actually review the performance of your business, you will need to see how the business is performing in connection with the budget. This is what I referred to in one of my earlier talks as the budget versus actual report, because this will tell you how you're performing with respect to how you planned. And when you see a difference, you will need to realign your budget, or you will need to realign how you are actually operating on a daily basis. When you do this, you won't get surprises at the end of the year saying, hey, where did I go wrong? Now, when you do this exercise, this gives you also the ability to do something very interesting known as the annual sales plan. Now that is the topic of another talk.